Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty. This is the second part of our video for beginners who are preparing to participate in the different Web3 projects, having set up your browser, Kiwi or Mrs. browser, by installing the different wallet extensions, particularly MetaMask extensions. So one of the safety precaution is to always create a new wallet for a new project. You can see I'm participating in plenty projects. So if I touch this small arrow, drop down arrow, you're going to see the different projects I've been participating in. And each project I participate in, I create a new wallet. Why should you create a new wallet? Because we are not sure. We don't know which project is genuine, which one is fake. Some are scammer projects, such that if you give them access, you authorize access to your wallet. Tomorrow, if you have any valuable assets in your wallet, they may do away with it. They may withdraw them without your consent and without your knowledge. So that is why you see, it's always advisable to create a new wallet for each project you participate in. So waitlist, farming, and so on and so forth, you can see all the different projects we are participating in and created a new wallet. So let us take, for example, how do we create a new wallet? All you have to do to create a new wallet for each project you want to participate in is to touch the arrow, this small arrow. You see the drop down arrow, the icon. Then all the wallet will come out. Then if you already created a particular one, you can choose. If you haven't, create a new one. So you are going to see all the different wallets. So for instance, let us assume we want to create a new wallet for a project called Practice. Okay, for instance. So if, for instance, the wallet you have created and there are so much that you cannot see this add new wallet icon, just search for anything random and then you see it will bring out this add account or add wallet. So just touch it and then touch add a new account. Once you add a new account, so you can name it Practice. So that is it. Then touch create, and then your wallet gets created. So this is the wallet. So if you want to get a token, maybe you have to copy your wallet address, just touch this copy icon, you get your wallet address. Then here you can change your network, different networks. So it's on Ethereum. We have the different Polygon, Linear, Blast, Epolia, BNB Smart Chain. There are different types of networks. So depending on the network you want to choose. And then another precaution we must take again of preserving your assets so that you don't lose them, because some people, they have lost a lot of money because maybe they participated in a project before and they took it for granted that it was not going to pay or it was not going to worth anything. But later in the future, they heard that, oh, that project, the little they paid has become something big, and now they want to go and get the asset. They can no longer access the wallet, and then the fund is there but no access to it. Everything is lost. So to prevent that, all you have to do, bear in mind that when you create a wallet extension, when you store wallet extension, it is the very wallet. For instance, if I'm to import this wallet to another phone, now it is only this account one that will get imported, this account one with my secret phrase, the 12 secret phrase. So all these other wallets you have created, you might lost them. Yes, because these ones are just addition to this. So how do you preserve this? So let us use the one we created just now, Practice, as an example. We'll come back to it. So each time you create a new wallet, always come to these three dotted lines, touch it, and you are going to see account details. Touch it. Then you are going to see this. If you want to edit the name, you can touch this icon if you want to change the name. So, but this is your public address. If you want someone to send any asset to you, this is the one you copy to send to the person. But you see this show private key, click it. Once you click it, it will ask you for your password, and there is always the warning for you not to disclose it to anybody, because anybody who has access to this can go make away with whatever asset you have in your wallet. Once you input the password you created when you were creating your wallet, now it will open. You click confirm. Now it will ask you to hold on this, and once you hold it down, okay, now leave it. You see, this is my private key, so I'm not bothered because I'm just using this for practice. But please do not reveal yours to anybody. Then touch the copy icon. Once you copy, then click done. Then you can go somewhere. You can create oh, um, a particular maybe file, Microsoft Word that you keep. For instance, you just write practice and then you write PK, which is private key. You just paste it there and save it and keep it. That's what I do for all these projects I've participated in, and I make sure that this thing I keep it when other person will have access to it. And if you have time, sit down and use your hand to write them out one after the other. Though I know it's very long, but that is the best option. Always saving them in the cloud, all these third-party apps, because sometimes when we install apps, they ask for permission to media contents, messages, call logs, all these things. We don't even bother to check the permissions they ask us, and we just say yes, permission to our documents. So that's why it's always advisable. These secret phrases, these private keys, don't save them, don't screenshot, because anybody through third party apps may have access to them and your phone will be made away with. So always keep them very safe. So this is how you preserve your wallet. So if anything happens, you miss your phone tomorrow, or you maybe there's a crash in the app and you lost the wallet and you try to reinstall the wallet, then with these private keys you can now re import this your wallet to another phone or another Kiwi browser extension or missing. So how do you do that? For instance, if you lost your phone as you have copied this, all you have to do is to touch this arrow again. When you touch the arrow, okay, you have the options. Okay, let us just search anything randomly. Then touch add account or add where wallet. And then this time around, you are not going to add a new account, but you are going to say import account. So if you click import account, it will ask you for your private key. So once I put the private key and I paste it, and then you click import, you will see it will get imported in your wallet. You can still have access to every asset that you have there. Then this is about the security of our wallet. So let us go now. What if, for instance, you have used this your wallet to participate in different projects, and you have been told you have been paid an asset, a coin was set to your wallet. Now you cannot see the coin. How do you see the coin? First and foremost, you need to know on which network is the project, on that particular project built on. Is it Ethereum? Is it Base? Is it Binance Smart Chain? Is it Polygon, whatever it is? So once you know it, another thing where you can do to know what project particular network it is, you can always go to CoinMarketCap, search for that particular coin, then go to under inform overview, go down to the last part. You are going to see the different smart contract addresses. You will see the different network. So all you have to do is this. First and foremost, let us assume that that project is not on the Ethereum network, it's on the Binance Smart Chain. So all you have to do is to touch this place and then scroll up and look for the particular one, or you can just search the name. So let's assume it's Binance Smart Chain, and we have changed it to Binance Smart Chain. So the next thing, you will still not see the coin. So now you need to get the contract address of that coin. Please do not just get any contract address. Get the best place to get is either you go through CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. You will always get the contract address for the different network if they are built on different network. whatever network, you get it there. Then once you get the contract address, now you now touch import tokens. Once you touch import tokens, you are going to paste the contract address here. Once you pay the contract address here, it may tell you, oh, it's not available. Okay, to be on the safer side, let us use any project as an example. So this is CoinMarketCap. Let us assume we want to search for Shiba Inu. Okay, you can search for it. It's already here, but let us search. Just search for SHIB, and then you see the project. Click it. That is the first option. Now, once this page, overview page, opens up, you can just scroll up, scroll down to the very last part, and you are going to see, look at now, this is contract address. So you see this one is on Ethereum. So copy the contract address. Okay. Then go back. Now let us close this. So since on Ethereum, if you put it here, you will not be able to see that coin because it has a wrong network. So let us change the network back to Ethereum. And now, since on Ethereum, the next thing we are going to do is import tokens. Once we touch import tokens, paste the contract address. Okay, you have copied. It may tell you, oh, look at it. This is Shiba Inu. It's already there. You can simply just touch it, and that is it. You click next. Or if it is not already in the wallet, what you do is you simply click custom token, and then you ask you for your wallet address. You see, then once you paste the contract address, sorry, not wallet address, contract address, it will automatically generate the symbol and the token decimal. Then click next, and then click import. So you can see it now. Once any Shiba Inu is paid to my wallet for under the Ethereum blockchain, I'm going to see it here. Then another way, okay, let us not make this video too long. We'll still continue to grow in it. How we can continue to understand how to use the MetaMask, the different project, to find out if a project is genuine, if it's scam or not. So for now, let us stop here. How to import our wallet, how to create a new wallet, how to keep our wallet safe. And so that's all this video is all about today. Then please do not just paste anyhow link. Paste link that asks you connect your wallet, you just connect your wallet. Don't connect your wallet to anyhow link. If you must connect to any link, make sure you are sure or convinced. But at least, as I said, the safest way to do that is create a new wallet entirely and connect to that, such that if it turns out to be a scam, there will be nothing in that wallet that the person can steal. So we are going to continue in this series and learn more how to navigate through these different applications that we need to perform in these different airdrops. So if you find value in this video, please let us see that in the comment section. If there is something else you want us to talk about, a particular thing maybe you do not understand that you want clarification, get back to us through the comment section, and we'll do our best to do a proper research and make a good video that will help you to understand what you want to know. So if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and also hit the bell icon so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. Till we come again your way next time, we'll remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty.